Today we will be looking at a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 129 different strategies, with 45 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We have also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says that this free indicator on TradingView gives perfect signals with an 85% win rate. And so, of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this indicator. It's technically a full strategy. So the indicator's name is the imbalance algo, spelled a little bit strange, and so you can see the spelling of it right here. So you go ahead and type that into the indicators, and you'll select this one right here. It will bring up the indicator. It looks very similar to this here. We did go in and make a few changes according to the source video, so we'll just go over those changes real fast. Sensitivity here, you're going to bump that up to 18. Then you're going to scroll down to take profits. On TP1, you're going to put 1.5, and under the fixed percentage, you're going to put 100%. So that takes away the tiered take profit and gives you just a single take profit at a 1 to 1.5. But it also has break even and different aspects that you can change in here. And so basically what this indicator does is it gives you buy and sell signals. And when it gives a buy or a sell signal, it then determines where the stop should be. It determines where your take profit should be. And then it kind of tracks your take profit, stop, and so on, tracks your trades, if you will, and it shows them with this green background or red background, depending on whether they were a winning trade or a losing trade. And so the strategy itself, basically, as you can see here, gives you these red arrows when price is below the line right here, and then that line turns red. That is the signal to go short. When price is above the line right here, not sure if it has a name. Let's see if we can find the name of it. Looks like just plot. So when it is above the plot line, then price trading above the plot line and the plot line turns green, it's going to then give you a green arrow like this for a long trade. So really cool indicator, and like I said, you can go in and tweak the settings, play around with it some, and see if you can't get a better win rate out of it. But all in all, pretty cool indicator. You can see here that this is a really nice buy signal, and it runs up really nicely, getting to take profit. You can see here that this is a sell signal, also running down, getting to take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did a 57 trade test in this case, because you can set when the testing starts calculating right here. So you can go in and modify basically the start date. And so in this case, we got close to the 50 trade test with 57 trades. Out of those 57 trades, we got 24 winning trades and 33 losing trades, putting us at a 42% win rate. Now, it isn't the 85% win rate that the source video claims, but with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, it does put things in our favor a little bit there. So on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, you would have gained $14,400. On the losing side, though, you would have been risking $400 per trade. And so your total loss there would have been $13,200 for a total gain of $1,200 altogether with this strategy. Now, again, you can play around with the settings to see if you can get something better out of it. Super easy to do so. Now, compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy, which I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We did 44 trades within the same period of time. We had 39 winning trades, 5 losing trades for an 88% win rate. And so on the winning side, if you were looking at the same monetary gain, you would have gained $23,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $3,900 for a total gain of $19,500 altogether in just a couple of months. And so significantly different in your win rate and the gain on the account. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. After the free trial, it's only $15 a month, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status. And so really great deal. Very easy to get your money back, and it's a very cheap system to employ. And so this is Sasquatch here. He is one of the members on our Discord server. He's a professional Forex prop trader. He decided recently to take the Academy of Forex indicator and the Z-score, basically the Academy of Forex strategy, and use it to take a prop firm challenge. You can see here in his first couple of days, he was able to maintain an 85% win rate with a profit factor of 5.90. Nice little profit on the account, and a really nice equity curve just slowly taking its way up there. You can see what he says about the update on the challenge right here, and just lends some more validity to the Academy of Forex strategy and its capabilities. Let's go ahead and look at the weekly trades. Now, it seems to be a little bit of confusion about the weekly trades. So what we're doing is we're tracking the signals from these four Forex pairs, I should say, if I can spit it out there, and this one crypto coin. These are trades on the 30-minute time frame, and these are the trades from one whole week, and we're tracking each week. And so that's the weekly trades. There are not trades on the weekly time frame, and so let's keep that in mind. So for this last week, we did 8 trades on the Forex pairs. All 8 trades were winning trades with a 100% win rate, a gain of $4,800. And on the crypto coin here, we also had 1 trade with 1 winning trade, a 100% win rate, again with a gain of $600 there. So this was a total gain of $5,400 for the week on these trades, and we add this to the previous week, and that gives us the 2-week total here of $9,420. Would have been a really nice profit for really any account. And so that's it for this strategy here. So what we will do is just go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.